Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm at Lima Alpha 0274. It's a small nature preserve just right by a church. And I'm actually not out for POTA. I'm out driving with my teenage daughter. She's in the car. I gotta make this quick. So it'll be 10 contacts, then pack down and go back to my daughter. We'll do it as fast as possible. Let's take a look at the equipment first. On the radio side of things, we have the X6100, the MXP50 amplifier, and that's all hooked up to a 5-meter telescopic whip on the slide winder tripod. Since it's a nature preserve, I want to leave as little trace of my activation as possible. So let's go ahead, spot ourselves, call CQ, and see if we can get those 10 contacts. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Park Lima Alpha 0274. Park Lima Alpha 0274. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air. Italy November 3 Echo Yankee Yankee QSL.
Yes, QSL, thank you very much. You're 5 and 8, my name is Nicola, QSL.
QSL Nicola. You are 5 and 9, 59 here in Norway. Thank you for hunting parks on the air.
Yes, thank you very much for a new reference for me. I think it's Lima Alpha 0274, that's right?
QSL, that is correct. Thank you for hunting 7-3.
Yes, okay, thank you very much, 73 and good luck.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. It's calling CQ Parks on the air, calling CQ Parks on the air. There are a lot of mosquitoes here, guys, a lot of mosquitoes, so please help me get the 10 in the log as quick as possible. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air from Park Lima Alpha 0274. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, listening for any calls anywhere. Foxtrot 4, Fox Alpha Papa, you are 5 and 9, QSL.
Alpha Dave, you are coming 5-5 in western France. You have a strong and clear signal. Thank you, all the best, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye-bye, 7-3, QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
India Kilo 2, Oscar Delta Martin.
India Kilo 2, Oscar Delta, I think it was, 5 and 9, QSL.
Thank you very much. Good signal also, 5 and 9, big signal indeed. Thank you very much from Luca, IK2, Holiday 72 FM.
73, thank you for hunting QRZ.
Sugar 56 Papa Radio Road. Sugar 56 Papa Radio
Sugar 56 Papa Radio
Road.
Golf 5 and 7, 57 QSL.
Okay, thank you. Coming with 57 to Slovenia. Back to you.
Thank you for the 5-7 in Slovenia, and thank you for hunting parks on the air, 7-3.
Okay, bye-bye, 73.
QRZ, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, calling CQ Parks on the air.
Okay, Alpha 6, Oscar Mike.
Ending Oscar Mike, come again please. Echo America 6, Oscar Mike, QSL.
Echo America 6, Oscar Mike. Echo Alpha 6, Oscar Mike, 545, Melita Portata, 73.
Thank you for the 5 and 5. You were 5 and 5 as well. Thank you for hunting 7-3.
Oscar Echo 4, Echo, India Echo.
Oscar Echo, just one moment. Oscar Echo 4, India, Oscar Echo, QSL.
Oscar Echo 4, Echo, India Echo.
Echo, India, Echo, Oscar Echo 4, India, Echo, Oscar Echo 4, Echo, India, Echo, QSL.
Roger, Martin. You get 5-9 plus 5, Roger.
Roger, thank you for that. You are also 5 and 9, and thank you for hunting parks on the air, 7-3.
73, good luck.
QRZ Parks on the air, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Okay, good 7, Foxtrot Mike Hotel.
Oscar Echo 7, Foxtrot Mike Hotel, 5 and 9, QSL.
Retail, your 5-9 blast in Austria,
73, and thank you for hunting. I need 2 more contacts before the mosquitoes eat me up. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India.
Italy Victor 3, Japan, Italy Zulu.
Italy Victor 3, Japan Victor Zulu, QSL.
Okay, Italy Victor 3, Japan, Italy Zulu, 5/7, 5/8, and Northern Italy. My name is Dario, Delta Alfa Romeo, India, Oscar.
Roger, roger. Just your suffix. Is it Juliet Victor Zulu, QSL?
Okay, Italy Victor 3, Japan, Italy Zulu, Italy Victoria 3, Japan, Italy Zanzibar.
QSL, QSL, Italy Victor 3, Japan, Italy, Zanzibar. Thank you. 5 and 9. QSL, QRZ Parks on the air. Final call, final call. Hoping for 1 more contact to get the park activated. But the mosquitoes are eating me up. Final call for Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0, Fox India.
Uniform Sierra number 6, Echo Delta.
Uniform Sierra 6, Echo Delta. Thank you for coming in as my 10th Parks on the air contact there. You're 5 and 9, QSL.
Roger, Roger. You repeat 5/9, Ukraine, Central Ukraine. My name is Evgeny. Evgeny, you repeat 5/9, Roger.
Roger, Roger, Evgeny, and thank you for being my 10th contact. I got the park activated for Parks on the air, so that's great. And thank you for hunting. I'm gonna have to say 7-3 because I'm eating up. Good luck down there, 7-3.
Thank you. Спасибо.
Okay, I'm back in the car, and there's a little bit too little lighting. It's getting late in the evening, about 10 p.m. Gray line is approaching. I've never experienced this many mosquitoes during an activation. There was one in my ear right now. So this has probably been the quickest activation I've ever done. It took me about 20 minutes from start to finish to get all the 10 contacts in the books, set everything up, and take everything down. Seriously, the quickest activation thanks to the mosquitoes. I could probably have called a little bit more, but I'm gonna have a lot of mosquito bites tomorrow, so I'm not gonna do that. Thank you again for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, you can always subscribe, or there are a couple of more ways down below. And that's it for now, folks. Until next time, 7-3.